Ready to ditch the appointment book chaos and step into the world of salon management made easy? Let's dive into Glossgenius, your all-in-one solution for salon success. Starting with appointment scheduling, tap the plus icon to add a new appointment. You'll see fields for client name, service, staff member, date, and time. Fill these out, and Glossgenius will automatically block off the time on your calendar, avoiding double bookings. You can also set recurring appointments with ease. Next up, client management. Tap on clients, and you'll see a list of your clientele. To add a new client, hit the plus button, input their contact information, notes about their preferences, and even attach photos of their previous styles. This helps you personalize their experience and build stronger relationships. Now for the money. Glossgenius makes payment processing a breeze. Connect your bank account, and you can accept credit cards, debit cards, and even cash. The app automatically calculates sales tax and tips. You can also send invoices and track your revenue, all in one place. Time to attract new clients. Glossgenius offers built-in marketing tools. You can create email campaigns, send text message promotions, and even manage your social media presence directly from the app. Target specific clients with personalized offers and watch your business grow. Finally, let's talk reporting. Glossgenius generates detailed reports on your sales, services, and client demographics. This data helps you understand your business performance, identify trends, and make informed decisions to boost your profitability.